What?
Okay, for it!
It's my life and it's now or never.